Hi, my name is Ann Retho, and I'm excited to welcome you to this Byte platform overview. At Byte, we've built a platform that's designed to solve some of the most complex challenges in trade compliance, financial sanctions, and risk management. I'm going to walk you through how it can simplify your compliance workflows and help you manage risk more efficiently. Whether you're in finance, trade, or compliance, Byte is built to be a powerful yet easy to use tool, allowing you to screen entities, commodities, and transactions with precision. Our focus is on making sure you can act quickly and confidently with the most up to date data available. Thank you for joining today's session. We're excited to have you on board with Byte, and I'm looking forward to showing you how the platform works. Let's dive in and see how you can start achieving quick wins through Byte's screening capabilities. Let's start with the screening module, the heart of Byte's functionality. It's designed to give you instant, actionable insights into your risk exposure, whether you're screening entities, commodities, or full transactions. For instance, say you're vetting an entity like Hong Kong Chip Line, which deals in dual-use electronics. You can quickly screen to check if it's a flagged entity on any sanctions or trade restrictions list. Or, if you're working in commodities, you can enter HS codes or product descriptions. For example, 854232, which covers electronic integrated circuits, and you'll be able to identify any potential controlled commodity risks instantly, especially if the item is subject to trade restrictions due to their dual use nature. What makes the screening module even more powerful is the lens feature, which allows you to customize and refine your screening results based on specific risks or regulatory concerns. For example, you could apply controlled or licensable commodities, which is particularly useful for identifying sensitive goods like electronic components that could be used in strategic defense systems. By using this lens, you can have a more targeted focus on a specific area, ensuring that your screening is targeted and effective. Ease of use is central to how we've designed the entire screening module. Whether you're running a single search or would like to add multiple searches in one query. That's the screening module. If you have more than 5 or so commodities or products, you can visit the bulk module. The bulk module is ideal for screening large volumes of entities or transactions at once. Whether you're in finance or trade, Byte Bulk helps you automate and scale your screening operations. We're excited to share that enhancements to Byte Bulk are about 60 days away, including capabilities to streamline and limit bulk screening to the specific lenses as are seen in the screening module. You can save results from your bulk screening in your analytics vault, like I've done here. All of those results are then saved here in your vault. The vault provides a secure repository for all your compliance documents, whether that's an audit trail or a due diligence report. Everything is organized in one place, making it easy to access. And if you've performed due diligence on an entity, you can securely store and quickly retrieve all of your findings related to that specific entity or bulk screening. Next, there's the Byte GPT module. This is an AI-driven module that goes out to the OpenAI servers. And this tool makes it easy to ask complex questions and receive instant and relevant results. I typically use this module to confirm what I've already found in the screening module or additional research I've done. But for example, if you needed the latest update on Russian sanctions to understand the status of Lanta Bank, you could simply ask the Byte GPT to give you more information instantly. It significantly reduces the time spent on manual research and improves your efficiency by allowing you to focus on more strategic tasks. I also take the output from the Byte GPT and often copy it and paste it into my Vault ticket so that I have that additional summary just saved there in my Vault. So you may be wondering where the screening module data and the Byte GPT data is coming from. So let's talk about the data that powers Byte's screening capabilities. The strength of our platform lies in the high quality and continuously updated data assets that we provide. Clicking over here on data sets, the data is broken down into a few different modules. The first module are the watch lists. The watch list pulls from sanctions lists and other global restricted entity databases. These data sources are updated as frequently as possible, whether it's an hourly API or weekly or monthly. You can always trust that you're working with up-to-date information. As you can see, we have lists from many countries around the world. There are over 350 watch lists in the watch list module. In the Byte list module, you get access to proprietary data sets of flagged entities that are flagged for being high risk and may be transshipment entities or may be engaged in some high risk trade. Imagine screening an entity for sensitive technology transfers, and this may allow you to catch a risk that could otherwise go unnoticed. Also included in the Byte list module are PEPs, lists, and beneficial ownership data, debarred entities primarily tied to the US, and additionally ESG and forced labor lists. So these are highly connected to forced labor entities in Xinjiang, China, and other lists that may be connected to derogatory marks for environmental concerns or other ESG related issues. The next module is the Byte Trade Protection module. This includes all of the commodity control information. Here you can search for HS codes, Schedule B, combined nomenclature. You can also review the commodity control lists associated with the various lenses and product screening lists. And this is particularly useful in dealing with high-risk goods. For example, we have a uranium enrichment list in here, and these also come from multiple countries around the world, and you can search app as well. Finally, the cyber module helps you screen for risks tied to entities involved in cyber threats or vulnerabilities in software. It's one more way that Byte helps you stay ahead of potential threats in a user-friendly way. Each of these dataset modules are designed to give you the most comprehensive and reliable screening results. And as I said, these are the data sets that feed into the screening module. Finally, in the Byte app, you also gain access to Byte U, where you have industry training courses and app how-to guides. So if you ever run into any trouble, you have guides that provide tips and tricks on the various modules, and also a few introduction courses to the various topics. In closing, Byte is built to make your compliance processes as streamlined and easy to use as possible, while giving you deep screening insights that you need to navigate complex regulatory landscapes. With ongoing updates to our data sources and exciting features on our roadmap, like automated alerts and enhanced Byte Vault capabilities, we're committed to providing you with the best possible tools to manage your compliance workflows. Feel free to explore the platform, engage with our in-app training resources, and reach out to our team if you have any questions. Thank you, and we are excited to help you get the most out of Byte.